runway 14, transition level 130. Advise on initial contact, you have information, Mike. Reading in Roman to Apt Airport information, Mike 0036 Zulu, surface wind calm. Visibility 5 kilometers, few clouds 1,800 feet, temperature 25 degrees, depoting 25 degrees, QNH 1011, landing and departing runway 14, transition level 130, advise on initial contact, you have information, Mike.
Okay, information Mike, runway active 14, QNH 1011. Inland Tower, good morning, Indonesia 7644, radio check.
Indonesia 7644, readability 5.
Inland Tower, Indonesia 7644, good morning, stand number 2, Boeing 737 naik 100 with registration Papa Kilo Golf Foxtrot X-ray, request clearance to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport with information, Mike.
Indonesia 7644, ready in Indian Roman 2 Tower, expect runway 14 without 1 Charlie departure, squawk 5440.
Clear to Soekarno-Hatta International Airport, expect runway 14 departure via Bido 1 Charlie, squawk 5440, Indonesia 7644.
Indonesia 7644, feedback correct. Call me back when ready for pushback for engine start.
Wilco, Indonesia 7644. Indonesia 7644, stand number 2, request pushback.
Indonesia 7644, ready in Indian Roman 2 Tower, pushback and engine start approved. Face northwest.
Push and start approved, face northwest, Indonesia 7644. Okay, before start procedure. Backdeck door, close and lock, fuel, 5.5 kilograms, pumps on, passenger sign on, windows lock, MCP V2139, heading 140, altitude 100, takeoff speed V1, 132, V-rotate 133, V2139, schedule perfect complete. Radar and aileron trim fully and zero, taxi and takeoff briefing complete, anti-collision light is on. Before start checklist complete. Okay, starter cutout.
Unlocking
511, engine 1 stabilize. Before taxi procedure. Flaps 5.
Tow truck disconnected. Bypass been removed. Left is clear, right is clear.
Okay, ground clear all equipment and give me hand signal. Thank you. Okay, flight control check. Pull left, pull right, pull up, pull down. Rudder, pull left, pull right, neutral. Okay, hand signal. Deportasi checklist, generator sound, profit on, anti-ice off, acceleration valve auto, engine start which is continuous, recall check, auto breaker TO, engine start lever solid 10, flight control check, ground equipment is clear. Before taxi checklist complete. Indonesia 7644, request taxi to runway.
Indonesia 7644, taxi via Alpha, hold short of runway 14.
Taxi via Alpha, hold short runway 14, Indonesia 7644. Okay.
Approaching.
Oke, left is
One,
clear, right
four.
is clear. Drops 3 star.
On runway. 14.
Indonesia 7644 runway 14 ready for departure. Okay, before takeoff checklist, flaps 5 green lights.
Indonesia 7644 ready in Indian Roman 2 Tower, wind calm, runway 14 cleared for takeoff.
Runway 14 clear for takeoff. Indonesia 7644. Okay, clear for takeoff. Okay, takeoff. N1 Toga.
All aircraft be advised information November now current QNH 1011.
Cek. Cek.
Indonesia 7644 contact Jakarta radar 120.9.
Kontak Jakarta radar 120.9 Indonesia 7644. Jakarta radar, good morning Indonesia 7644 2000 feet. Okay, flaps 1.
Indonesia 7644, Jakarta radar, radar contact, climb to 10,000 feet, QNH 1011.
Climb to 10,000 feet, QNH 1011 Indonesia 7644. Okay, 10,000 feet. Okay, flaps up after takeoff procedure. After takeoff checklist, engine blitz on, tax auto, landing gear up and off, flaps up, no like after takeoff checklist complete.
Indonesia 7644 descend to 2,000 feet.
Descend to 2,000 feet Indonesia 7644.
Indonesia 7644, 4 miles from Melia, turn right, heading 235, maintain 2,000 feet until established on the final approach course, cleared ILS runway 24.
4 miles from Milia, turn right, heading 235, maintain 2,000 feet until established, clear for ILS runway 24, Indonesia 7644.
2,500.
Okay, flat 5. Runway heading 248. Okay, Glide lock alive, gear down. Okay, gear down, flight 50.
Indonesia 7644, contact Sukarno at the tower 118.2. Have a good morning.
Kontak Soekarno Hatta Tower 118.2, Indonesia 7644. Good morning. Soekarno Hatta Tower, Indonesia 7644. Good morning. Establish ALS runway 24. Okay, flaps 30.
Indonesia 7644, Sukarno Hatta Tower, wind 270 degrees 2 knots, runway 24 cleared to land.
Runway 24 clear to land, Indonesia 7644. Okay, 2 knots. Okay, 30. Landing checklist, engine start switches, continuous speed brakes, arm, landing gear, stone, flaps 30, green light, landing checklist complete. Okay, ground 121.6. Check 1000 baru 330, stabilize, runway 24, manual flight.
Approaching 2-4.
Check.
Approaching minimums. 300. Minimums.
Continue landing.
200. 100. 50. 40. 30. 20. 10.
Okay, speed picks up, reverse. Knot, manual braking.
Indonesia 7644, exit next available taxiway.
Meters remaining.
Exit next available taxiway, Indonesia 7644.
1,200 meters remaining.
Indonesia 7644, contact ground 121.6.
Contact ground 121.6, Indonesia 7644.